So we have question 1, 2, 3 from page 6 here, and question 1, 2, 3 from page 7 down here. So we'll do page 6 first. So it's asking you to find the minimum, Q1, Q2, Q3, and the maximum. So front of text. Get rid of all that. Here we go. Okay, and what we'll do is we'll make the text red so it's easy to see what we are doing. Alright, so our smallest number, we look at our data set here, 20, 28, 31, 45, 55, etc. It is in order from smallest to largest. Therefore, our smallest number is easy to tell. Okay. So then stuff that. Okay. Okay, so our largest number is 93. So our max is 93. Now, our next easiest one to do is our Q2, our median. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 numbers. So therefore, our median is going to be 11 plus 1, which is 12, divided by 2, which is 6. So we are looking for our sixth number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So our middle number is 64. So that's our middle number. So now what we have here is 2 halves of the data. We have split our data into 2, with 64 being the middle number. So now our Q1 is the middle of this half here. So 28, 34, 41, 55, and 64. So it's going to be halfway between 41 and 55. So 41 plus 55 is 96, divided by 2 is 48. And then we have here 72, 77, 79, 85, 93. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh no, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4. We only have 5 numbers, so it's just going to be 41. Yeah, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We only have 5 numbers here, so our middle number is actually the third number. So that's 41. So on the same here, 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 5 numbers here. So the middle number is the third number, 1, 2, 3. It's going to be 79. Okay, so here we have our minimum is 28. Our Q1, our first quartile, is 41. Our Q2, our middle number, is 64. Our Q3, our third quartile, is 79. And our maximum is 93. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, we can quickly do this one as well. Okay, so minimum It's going to be our smallest number, which is 3. Red, bold, smallest number is 3, and our biggest number is 67. Okay. Now our middle number, there are 13 numbers, so our middle number is going to be the 7th number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, so 27. So then we have one half of the data, which is this here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers in this half of the data. So, because there's 6, our Q1 is going to be halfway between 7 and 13. It's going to be 10. And here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And our Q3 is going to be halfway between 4 and 52. 4, 6. It's going to be 48. Done. Okay, so if we move down into here, I'm only going to do this once. So we need to make a box plot of this data here. So we've just given you a bunch of data and we expect you to make a box plot. So first things first, let's pick out the median. I'm going to make it bright red and increase the weight so it's easy to see. Right. So our minimum is 3. So we can go 1, 2, 3. So I want to just, there we go. And I have 3. And our maximum is, have I just cut that off? Okay, that makes more sense. Our maximum is 41. It's going to be a line here. So that's our minimum and our maximum. So then we want to have a our Q2 because we've been finding the Q2 third. So 29. 29 is here. Q1 is 26. 26 is here. Q3 is 34. So we're going to put a line here. So now we have our 5 lines, but this isn't a box plot yet. So our interquartile range is between Q1 and Q3. So what we're going to have to do is turn this here into a box. I'll make it and no fill. Get rid of these lines and make it look a little bit neater. Okay, so that's our box of our box and whisker plot. So that shows our interquartile range, and the line in the middle is our median, our Q2. So then what we have to do is draw out a whisker from our between our Q1 and our Q2. Oh, sorry, our minimum and our Q1. So this is our minimum here. This is our Q1. And a much shorter whisker between our Q3 and our maximum. There we go. So that is our box plot.